This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. Welcoming verandas invite you into this gorgeous home, once used as a builder's model. Inside, a bright and open floor plan makes entertaining easy, and the modern kitchen features a large island, butler pantry, and a breakfast nook with built-in desk space. Tray ceilings in the dining room give the space a sense of luxury and classic charm. French doors lead to a cozy first-floor den which could be repurposed as an office, playroom or bedroom to suit your needs. The primary bedroom has tray ceilings and the ensuite bathroom features separate shower and soaking tub. The second-floor loft offers additional living space. 2 additional bedrooms, a hall bath and laundry room are also located on the second level. The 4th bedroom features a private staircase and ensuite full bathroom, suitable for an in-law suite. Outdoor living space includes a private fenced-in backyard, and the Culpepper Landing playgrounds, pool, and dog park. For more information, review the details below.